Hi, this is Watch Hobby. Today I'm going to show you another unboxing. I think you can see from the white sleeve here that is a Tudor. So there's no reference number, but let's see what Tudor watch it is. So I'm going to use one hand to try to unbox this, so bear with me. So here's the standard Tudor watch box that you typically get when you buy a Tudor watch. Of course, you have the user manual, the warranty, so all that document in the plastic cap. The main watch box itself, and finally the watch. Now this is the Pelagos FXD cycling edition. So that's what it is. There's some space for you to put stuff, but there's nothing inside here, surprisingly. The tag is here. The watch itself. So this is the watch. Now this watch is made from carbon. This is a carbon-based watch. There's the casing, hardened carbon. It doesn't have the lugs is actually fixed, as you can see here. So it uses a simple strap sign, of course. I will believe the bezel itself is titanium, PVD, sapphire crystal. Case back is also titanium, but it's not see-through, unfortunately. There you go. Anyway, I think soon the official review of this watch will come up from my blog. I think the reference to the blog can be found in the description below. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. Bye bye for now.